the courts. The Senza Meyiwa murder case has been postponed until March next year. At their first appearance, 4 of the 5 denied involvement in the murder of the Orlando Pirates and Bafana goalkeeper. They claim they're being used as scapegoats. You'll remember that Meyiwa was gunned down at the house of his then-girlfriend Kelly Khumalo in 2014. Let's pick that story up with reporter Masego Rahlaga. It was a little tetchy in court today, Masego, from what I saw, and all fairly brief. What happened?
Well, Jeremy, it was what we expected really as the media, because you'd remember the first appearance of the 5 suspects was quite dramatic, that they refused to, for instance, get into the accused dock. They kept on, speaking to the magistrates directly. They wouldn't answer the question on whether or not they would get their own private lawyers or legal aid. So we did expect that there would be a bit of drama today. So just like last time, Jeremy, they refused to get into the dock. One of the accused, in fact, Mr. Mube, had a T-shirt that basically had a message basically saying that he is not part of the people who killed Senza Meyiwa. At some point, the magistrate, rather, was telling them that they cannot keep speaking to him directly until they have legal representation, because they would probably incriminate themselves even further. But they wouldn't listen. At some point, actually, one of the accused had to be excused. The magistrates had to ask the court orderly to take him back into the holding cells. Here is a part of what the judge was warning the accused against.
All the legal representatives, please make sure that your clients understand that they are skating on thin ice with regards to contempt of court. Actions like this will not be tolerated in future. The matter has been postponed. As the court stated, the court will now adjourn the media to immediately clear the court.
And the prosecuting authority is still confident, of course, that they have a strong and watertight case, I guess.
Jeremy, that's, the question on everybody's minds. People, if you look on social media on hashtag Senza Meyiwa or hashtag Justice for Senza Meyiwa, a lot of South Africans are actually concerned about whether or not police and the National Prosecuting Authority have the right person this time. You'd remember, Jeremy, those 6 years ago in October, there was a Zamuguhle Mbata from Vosloorus, not far from Kelly Khumalo's mother's house, who was arrested purely because he looked like the police sketch that was released to the public. He had the dreadlocks, but they had to release him from prison because they realized that they have the wrong person. But the NPA adamant still, Jeremy, that they have the correct people. They say that they have a watertight case. They are, in fact, even saying that there's a possibility of more arrests by the time we get back to court on the 5th of March 2021. The National Prosecuting Authority, Sipongwema, saying there's a possibility also that more people, or rather more information, would have come to light.
All right, Masego Rahlaga, thank you very much indeed in the newsroom.